Yes, welcome back. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. With future perfect tense. You've already seen for video number 1. So I'm going to connect this with the previous video of future perfect tense because we have already done the structure of the and the usage of the tense. These two examples are there. You can see by the end of January the time period is given, and then the grammar is, the tense is shown by will have and the third form, lost. By the end of January, I will have lost 10 pounds by exercising every day. If I exercise every day, by the end of January, I will have lost 10 pounds. My weight will be decreased by the end of January. Second sentence, before dinner, I will have finished my homework. When I will be having my dinner, before that time, my homework will be finished. Now this is your course book, page number 65. Learn grammar. Future perfect tense. Okay? This is the definition and some examples. Examples are, by the year 2020, men will have found cures for both AIDS and SARS. AIDS and SARS are some diseases, okay, and still the cure is not found. Cure means the medicine. So by the year 2020, men will have found cures for both AIDS and SARS. Now this is actually year 2020, but the book was published before. So 2020 over here, it is not going actually for today's world. It's not the future, but over here they are using 2020 because it was published earlier. Next, by the end of this century, when the century will end, by the end of this century, people will have set up colonies on the moon. Yes, maybe we are having some colonies on the moon. So will have set up colonies on the moon. This is the tense, will have set up. Next, before the turn of this century means the century is turning, again the century is ending. The hole in the ozone layer will have been plugged. Plugged means stopped. Because the holes are there, now holes are there in the ozone layer and it's constantly destroying because of the pollution. So before the end of the century or the turn of the century, the hole will have been plugged. All these superstitions are actually some of the things that we think will happen, but actually they do not. Okay? So they will have been eradicated. Eradicated means deleted. Mita dena. Eradicate kar dena. Mita dena. Superstitions are tohmat. Urdu word is tohmat. Okay, like we normally say, oh, kali billi rasta kaat gayi hai. Now you should not go because it's bad luck. So actually these are all superstitions. Now we are having question number 1 on the same page, page 65. In pairs, you need to decide how long it will take to see the following come true. First, you need to decide how much time will it take. Okay? How much time will it take to have these things, these conditions coming true? And then make sentences using the future perfect tense. Now you cannot do the pair work. But you can have some of your sibling, maybe brother or sister, or some friend of yours who can come to your home, sit with them and talk about this. The first one is already done for you. All the major rivers in our country will be connected to one another. This is a normal future passive sentence. So if I am saying by the year 2050, by the year 2050, this is what my suggestion or maybe my prediction is, that by the year 2050, all the major rivers in our country will have been connected to one another, not before that. Okay? So for B, when can you guess Pakistan will become a developed nation? One of the developed nation. You will have to think. Maybe it's by the end of the century, or by the end of the millennium, maybe by the year 2070, you say. Okay, first the time you have to decide, and then you will be having the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Okay, over here you will put future perfect tense to make it the correct thing. Okay, try it on your own and send me the page. Send me the picture of the work. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is even more simpler. Let's see. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense of the words given in bracket. In the bracket, you can see some verbs given. First, you will have to say what is the third form of the verb, and then add will have to make this future perfect tense. Okay, this exercise is on page number 66. The first one is done for you. The taxi will have arrived. Will have arrived by the time we go downstairs. Okay, see the next one. I'm not telling you the answer, I'm just telling you the third form. Visit, visited. Repay, repaid. P-A-I-D. Graduate, graduated. Improve, improved. Complete, completed. Okay, this is how you are going to write the answers. Please do it and show me the picture of your work. Next, workbook page number 25. This is given on page number 25. The future perfect tense. Sorry. Read these dialogues. Rohil, what time will you be home? Shamim, I will have finished my work at the office by 7:30. So I should be home by 8. Asim, let's go to the theater tonight. Parveen, okay, I have some work to do, but I will have finished by 7. I will have finished it by 7. Okay? Next page, page number 26. Are you with me? Okay. So, the future perfect tense has the form. Which form? Will, shall, plus have, plus past participle in the active form. And in the passive form, will, shall, have been, past participle. That's the third form. Okay, so if it is passive where the doer is not available or the doer is not mentioned, then we are going to use been. Okay, it refers to a future time that precedes. Precedes means go before. Okay, go before, precedes another future time. The period indicated by this tense may actually begin in the past but will only be completed in the future. Most probably you have already started something, but it will be completed only in the future. Our syllabus will have been completed by the end of September, inshallah. Or the teachers will have completed their course or the syllabus by September, by the end of September. Now, it is usually accompanied by a time expression. For example, at, by, before, etc. to indicate when the event or action will be completed. Okay, it's 4:45. Examples are there. It's 4:45. Aisha is putting something in the pressure cooker. It needs to be cooked for an hour and 45 minutes. When will it be ready? It will be ready by 6:30. It will be ready by 6:30. Now this is question number 1, page number 26 of workbook. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense of the verb in the bracket. Can you see now? Number 1, A. I will have much more time next week because I dash my science project by then. I will have completed my science project by then. I will have completed. Okay. In the same way, you are going to do the rest of the exercises. Okay. Over here you can see have. So have will become I will have had. Third form had. Live, lived. Finish, finished. Start, started. And you are going to add will have to it. Same page, page number 26, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. Oscar was fast asleep. He dreamed about being a famous singer one day. When he woke up, a series of thoughts crossed his mind. He sat back in bed and put the thought in order. I wonder if win a word. What will come here? I wonder. Yes. I will have won an award. Very good. I wonder if I will have won an award before I am 25. Maybe in the bracket is written have won a Grammy. What can come? Yes, maybe I will have won a Grammy before I am 30. Last one. I hope dash achieve something before I'm 45. Yes, I hope I will have achieved something before I am 45. Very good. What's your homework? You need to do the following in your copy after making the title page of future perfect tense. Course book 65, 66, question number 1 and 2, and verb book page number 25, 26, question number 1 and 2. First you need to make the title page of future perfect tense, and then course book exercises, and then verb book exercises. Okay? That's the end of today's topic. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.